So hello guys and welcome to another video in my YouTube channel RK's EduTech. In this video I will share you the details of Accenture off-campus hiring. So before starting the video, if you are new to my channel RK's EduTech, in my channel will upload a series of videos on off-campus hirings and share my knowledge on programming languages such as Python and share my work experience in software industry. So to stay connected, press the subscribe button and press the bell icon beside it. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. So back to what I was saying. Could be us. So first, coming to job description, the role they are offering is software associate engineer. Coming to more details about job, they have mentioned over here what you are going to do once you join in Accenture for this role. I will share you the link in the description. Once go to this website and read what is the role that you are going to do once you join in Accenture as ASC. I will give you an overview what the work you are going to do. Basically, your work includes in design, build, test, assemble, support and configure application. This means that you will be placed in any one of these roles before starting from the project to ending of the project. And another job role they are offering is software engineer. I will give you an overview. You must be a full stack developer. Okay, so you may be placed in front end or in back end or in a database management anywhere. So you must have a thorough knowledge of all full stack development. You might get a chance to work on networking or database or UI, APIs and security. You may also get a chance to work on automation. And one more point to mention over here, in my upcoming videos I will make a series of videos on automation also using Python. Please press the subscribe button and press the bell icon to connect me over there also. So that's it for the job description. So we will go through one by one process of this Accenture hiring. First we will go to the registration process. So before registering yourself, so please make sure these three things. So you must have a digital copy of your passport size photo ready with you, and a scanned copy of PAN card, and a latest copy of your resume. Mention what are all the important points during our registration also. I will cover all these points while we are registering ourselves. And coming to eligibility criteria, they have mentioned over here, this drive is for graduates from 2021 passouts and from BE or BTech. They have mentioned here as all streams. That means there is no criteria for streams. You may be from civil, mechanical, triple, you can apply for this job, and graduates from MCA can also apply for this job. And make a note that you must have an aggregate of 65% or 6.5 GPA. They are considering this GPA or aggregate till your 6th semester of BE, or if you are studying in MCA they will consider for the 2nd semester grade. So coming to backlog, make sure that you do not have any backlog at the time of onboarding, and you may have an educational gap of 1 year between your post 10th standard to till completion of your graduation. And another important note is that if you have appeared for Accenture recruitment assessment in past 6 months, you are not eligible to apply for this hiring. So this point is about you must be a citizen of India. So after registering yourself, you will get receive an email invitation for online assessment if you are eligible for this Accenture hiring, to the mail which you have given over in the registration. So the assessment will be scheduled in 2 stages and must be completed within the scheduled time. So before beginning the assessment, they are giving a 20 minutes mock assessment or practice assessment. Mock or practice assessment will make sure that you have right hardware and software and your internet connectivity is stable. So to make sure that you will go through this assessment process smoothly without any disturbance. The first stage is on cognitive and technical assessment. So they are giving a 90 minutes of duration, and the first cognitive assessment includes 50 questions on English ability, analytical reasoning and numerical ability. And coming to technical assessment, they are including 40 questions on common application, and they have mentioned MS Office. I'm not sure why they have mentioned MS Office, because this is a technical job. Maybe to have an overview of MS Office. So, and they will give pseudocodes also. If you are don't know what is pseudocode, I will explain you with a small example. So this is what pseudocode will be look like. They will give a basic overview or the algorithm of the program, and they will ask you the output of the program. Next they will ask fundamentals of security and networking and cloud. That's it. Post assessment 1, you will be receiving a mail whether you have cleared the assessment 1 or whether you have not cleared the assessment exam within your 5 minutes of post completion of the assessment 1. So if you have cleared the assessment 1, congratulations, you are halfway through this assessment process. So coming to assessment 2. So assessment 2 is on a coding assessment. The duration is 45 minutes and they will ask two questions. So you must solve these two questions by using any one of the programming languages. So my guess is that they are giving 45 minutes of duration, means one question will be easy and the second question will be in a medium range of questions. So if you want to know how I have cracked TCS, what the strategy behind my clearing the TCS exam, I will share you the link in the description, or you can see in the iCards over here. Do watch my strategy clearing the TCS NQT. That might help you in the clearing this coding assessment. And one more assessment, that is assessment 3, communication assessment. So this assessment is approximately about 30 minutes of duration. This assessment mainly tests your communication skills and your accent of your English. So this communication assessment includes sentence mastery, vocabulary. In vocabulary, the questions may be on antonyms, synonyms, meanings, etc., and your fluency in English and your pronunciation while you are speaking in English. Basically, they will test your accent of English in this communication assessment. So that's it for the assessment details, and they have mentioned what are all the specifications your laptop or desktop must have. So one more point to mention, so you should not use any mobile or a tablet to take this assessment. So let's proceed with the registration for this hiring. Do's and do nots before proceeding to the registration. And as I mentioned, your passport size must be exact how it looks like over here, and your government ID card too. Click on I'm not robot and click on next. Select the job, that is 2021 direct hiring, and let's go one by one detail what they are asking in the registration form. They are asking for source details and your personal details: first name, middle name, last name. University registration number is the number nothing but your hall ticket number during your BTech or BE. And the email ID, you have entered the valid email ID because all the communications will be sent through your email ID that you have mentioned over here, and the same applies for the mobile number. And surprisingly, the Accenture we may communicate with you through WhatsApp also. They have also provided an option like they will communicate with you through WhatsApp. If you are interested, you can select yes, or if you are not interested, just select no. And please make sure that you provide an alternate number too. Your PAN card number, date of birth, gender, these are all basic details, and your educational details. So here in the certification details, if you have done any kind of certifications during your BE or BTech in any technical languages, Java, Python, any languages, just mention over here. These kind of certifications will help you during your interview process. This certification will add a weightage during your interview. You will have a more chances of clearing the interview. So if you are a PW, if you have any kind of disability, so mention that disability here, and your preferred job location. So there are a lot of locations. Accenture is opening its hiring in a lot of locations in India. Just select 3 preferred locations for you, and when your results are going to be declared, assessment details. So which slot you are comfortable to write the examination. Other details such as gap in education, have you worked in Accenture before, standing backlog, about if you have any arrears, and if are you an Indian citizen. So coming to attachment, they are asking us to upload our resume. Please make sure that you have uploaded a latest updated resume of your over here, and passport size photo, your college ID card, and government photo ID card, that is PAN card. Guys, if you don't have any PAN card till now, please make sure that you apply right away. PAN card, passport must and should IDs that one must possess before entering into any software industry. They have mentioned their terms and conditions over here. Before clicking on agree, please make sure that you have their privacy and their terms and conditions before clicking on agree. And that's it. After clicking on submit, you are done with your application. If you have any doubt in any step of this registration process, feel free to ask in the comment section. I will try to reply back to you. So that's it for this video, guys. If you like the video, like the video. And before signing off, this is my new YouTube channel, RK's EduTech. In this channel, I will upload a series of videos on hirings, technologies, my personal work experience in software. So to stay connected, press the subscribe button and press the bell icon beside it. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Test.